morning student. This is your class of business study, and in this class we are going to continue our unit number 8, that is related to small scale industry, and in this unit we are going to study about the role of small scale industry in the development of our country. So the first point says that it will give us more employment opportunity. How? Look, basically small scale industries are labor oriented enterprise, which means they are working with more labor. Okay, they need more labor to work, hence they will provide employment opportunity to a lot of people because they are not running with machinery, they are running with labor instead of machinery. Okay, the second point says it will give economic strength. How it will give economic strength? Because of providing employment to the rural area or to the urban area, we can say it will give economic strength to those people to whom they have given employment. Anyone can get rid of their financial crisis because of this business, and because they are providing employment opportunity, employment means salary and salary means end of financial crisis and financially strong person. Okay. The third point says it will provide opportunity for artists. Look, artists are some people who are given very lower amount of opportunity to show their skills. So this small scale industry provides limelight to artists so that they can prove themselves in front of the world that they can also do something. This is an opportunity to such people that they can groom their talent in a better way. The next point says this will help in balanced regional development. Now the point is how it will promote balanced regional development. Because look, basically small scale industries are dependent on local sources of production, which means natural sources, जो sources गाँव में available है, and this can be carried even in the place of remote areas. This type of business can be carried out in remote area also, because their local sources are available, and this will help the remote areas to get more employment and more money. They will become financially strong, and it also provide us diversity. How diversity? It will have educated as well as non-educated workers as its personnel. Next is promotion of standard of living. The point promotion of standard of living says that small scale industry will provide us facilities like employment opportunity, and due to employment we will have money, so we can avail electricity, water, good road, good education and banking facilities and many more. So this will promote our standard of living. The last is better utilization of local resources. Okay, it means that we will utilize our local resources in a better way. In rural areas, resources like labor, barren land means wasteland, raw material, etc. remain idle. They are not in use by any of the person. So they are used in very less quantity. Either they are not used at all or they are used in very less quantity. So better utilization of these resources can happen if a small scale industry is set over there. Okay. Some more points are also here. It reduces pressure of population on agriculture, which means like earlier what happened that a lot of people are dependent on agriculture, and due to small scale industry some people will get employment over there, and the burden on agriculture sector will automatically reduce because people will shift to small scale industry. Next is equitable distribution of income. The income distribution will be equal. How? Because as you all know, as compared to rural area, urban areas are rich, and these small scale industries are usually opened in rural areas. So it will give income to rural areas also, so they can compete with the urban area in the sense of income. Okay, I hope you get the role of small scale industries. That's enough for today. Have a very good day, students.